Everybody at least once in their lives has asked the same question. That question being, why isn't there a restaurant that serves dogs, or any other animal for the matter? Well, allow me to introduce Dog Place Cafe. The Dog Place Cafe is a unique dining experience that is specially made for man's best friend. Specialty made meals and snacks for dogs and other animals will be provided here. There will also be a deli section along with regular snacks, baked goods, and drinks for the humans as well. Because we need something, it's a restaurant. Our team that you see in the lovely organization chart up on the top there joined in on this journey asking the same question as I. What if there was a restaurant for dogs? All employees that you see were handpicked for their special skills and their knowledge in their field. They all make a great addition to Dog Place Cafe and really fit in well. The problem is with the question, actually, like, why isn't there any restaurants that serve animals in general? Well, when restaurants do serve animals, they don't actually serve them. They'll just let them in on the premises and give them a treat or leftover food or something that's not exactly good for them, like Starbucks with the pup cup. It's just plain whipped cream. It's not good for them. The same ingredients can be said for dog food that you'd find in pet stores. Most of the stuff isn't good for them, isn't good for their health. We here at Dog Place Cafe are committed to helping our customer base eat healthier and treat themselves to meals that are worth coming back again and again for, something that'll really draw them in. Our target market, if it wasn't obvious already, are pet owners specifically. And we did conduct a market survey that had questions that could help us as a business fit the customer's needs and adapt to the ever-changing market. We ask questions such as, what makes our business stand out from the rest? How would you rate the quality of our products on a scale from 1 to 10? And what could we add or change about our product to fit your needs? A very high number of responses were really positive. People said that we stand out for our unique concept, which is a very big compliment to us. Most people rated our products from 8 to 10, which is very high and also a big compliment towards us. Perhaps the biggest compliment and the biggest response we got was that most people said we don't exactly need to change. They don't see us changing for any reason, which is really good because we're at least doing something right. Now there is competition, as you see here. The two competitors being the Sneaky Beagle and Sandy Paws Buzz and Brew. These establishments are considered a threat to my business as they are competition, and they can drive away my customer base. Both do have good service, as I have been there, but their quality is not as good as ours. The Dog Place Cafe, we, as a unique concept, dominate these two different restaurants in both service and quality. We easily knock it out of the park. Now, as for pricing a product, that is probably one of the most complicated things any business can do. However, restaurants and cafes have a specific calculation in order to price products. Excuse me. And I will plan to follow that in order to price my products. First, I'll add the value of my beginning inventory and purchases, then subtract the value of the ending inventory from the total. Finally, I'll divide the results into our total food sales, and boom, we have a product priced. Considering that we are a cafe and restaurant, we will be dealing with customers face to face. So our sales force is going to be made up primarily of customer relationship management, which is CRM for short. And also e-commerce will be a huge part of our business, as we will sell homemade products in store, but those who can't make it to the store can go onto our online site and buy products from there. Therefore, e-commerce and all that. As for marketing activities, most of our customer base are locals. However, once tourist season hits, we get everybody from all over the country. It's huge. The age range that we see in most of our customers are at least 18 to 65. We sometimes see families or single individuals coming in, and you never know who will come into the business, and it's a really special thing. In order to get the news out about our business, we plan to advertise through television ads, radio ads, billboards, and newspaper ads, and any other means to really get the news out there that this is a place where you can come and hang out and just have fun in general. Now, as covered in the last slideshow that I previously did, I mentioned the starting cost of cafes being around $150,000 to $200,000, which I expect to also be a starting cost for my cafe, since it shouldn't be as different as any other. Now, the total income that we estimate is around $15,000 per month, and we expect possible profits as sales start coming in. Now, for the first 3 months, we anticipate to see expenses around $65,000, or more, depending on the total amount of sales and business costs and running costs, all of those things. The total estimated expenses are estimated to be between $80,000 and $350,000. Now, if this business venture sounds unique as it is, hop onto the journey with me. I encourage you to invest and help make this business possible if you want to see a business that helps dog owners, that is convenient for them, convenient for us. So if you want to see this come true, please invest. It will be worth it.